here's another Canva creation. Again, I use my phone to design, and I want to show you all something that you can do that's really cool, and you don't have to spend a whole lot of time trying to find the color of specific items that you want. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna just choose a custom size, and I'm gonna choose inches here, and I'm gonna go 13 by 19. And I'm going to bring in one of my images that is the thunder and lightning. It is the blue, the electric blue. So let me just go through and find it. I need to organize my stuff into folders. That's going to be the next thing that I do, so I can have all my pictures that I want to use readily available and not having to scroll through so many of them, because I just got so much stuff in here. And I'm going to go to that particular blue. Let me see. And I might just choose that one. I'll just choose this one. So I'm going to click these three dots, and I'm going to set the image as the background. And what I want to do is change the color of it. So I'm going to go to adjust, and I want to go to color edit, and I want to change the blue. So I want to change it to like that, like a pinkish color. And then I want to change the saturation and just really turn that up right there. Okay, so that's something quick and easy you can do to change the color of your background. And so now what I want to do is bring in an image of, we can just go with one of the cheerleaders that I had before. I'm just going to go back through my gallery. Try to get down there quick this time because I know it's at the bottom. Okay. Or I might just choose one of these graduate girls. I'm going to choose her. And I'm going to remove her background. Effects, remove background. And I chose blue, and I always like to choose blue because I can then adjust my colors. So I'm going to choose that blue again, and I want to kind of make her have on a color that matches. So we're going to go with that one and turn it up. Look at that, already coming together. Already, just really quick and easy. And then let me see what else I want to do. I want to add in like some effects. I'm gonna go to elements, and I'm gonna choose my blur, and let's just see what we can find for free. This is how you find your free elements. You click on that right there and you choose free. I do have a pro account, but I'm just going to choose something free so you guys can be able to see what the options are. And we're just going to choose this blue one. Again, I'm choosing blue just because I can easily change the color of it. So I'm going to go to adjust, or I can actually go to, let me see, I could go to my effects, and I can go to dual tone. and change it right there. So that color, either one of those. Let me see. I'm gonna go with that one. And then what I'm gonna do is duplicate it. I just want to duplicate that blur. Duplicate, click the plus button and duplicate. And now I have her set to where it looks kind of faded off. And I'm going to delete that one. I don't need it. So I can stretch her out a little bit. And then I can bring in her mascot. Let's see, I want to show you how you can change the color of a mascot too. A lot of my images I generate in AI, all of them actually. So let's go back down there and grab one of those mascots. We can actually grab this too because it matches, but I still want to grab one of my I want to grab that mascot in my gallery. Okay, let's see, it must be up a little bit more. Okay, yeah, I'm going to grab that one. Okay, and I'm going to remove the background on it. And also I want to change the color of that, so I'm going to go to adjust and I'm going to take that to make it match somewhere around there. Turn that all the way up to the saturation to 100, and I'm going to just place it right over there. Make it a little bit smaller, and I'm going to turn down the transparency on it so it can blend in nicely. And I want to take this senior and I'm just going to stretch it out. I mean, people are still going to be having graduation parties and stuff all through the summer, so you guys can still carry on with graduation items and making things for the party favors and all that. So here you are, a very quick and easy design. And the last thing I want to show you is how you can group these like when you're on your phone. So I'm going to just touch on the screen to just get one of the images. Then I want to go over to more and select multiple. So I want to try to select all of them, see if it'll allow me to do it, because sometimes it's very finicky on my phone. And it looked like it's going to give me a problem. Okay, we're not going to even worry with that right now because I got so many different layers on there. So what I want to just do is download this, and I'm going to download it as a PNG. Let's click download. Okay, so now you can just go back into Canva, and I want to go to a new page. So just move it over to the next page. And I want to bring in one of my frames. So you can see how you can use the frames that I sell on my Etsy shop. I'm going to go into my folders and I'm going to go to Grunge Frames. And I'm just going to choose this one right here. And then I want to bring in that image that I just had downloaded. I'm going to upload and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, so then I just want to drop it into the frame, double click on it, and then I can like move it around, adjust it to where I want it to be, and I can make the frame bigger. And if you notice like it's not all fitting like what I'm experiencing right now, all you have to do is click done, and we see that we still have some more that we want to add in there. And what I'm going to do is click these three dots and I'm going to lock it. And now what I'm going to do is add that one in again. Go to my uploads, add that one again. I'm going to remove the background. And I'm just going to size it up to where it matches up with the other one. And now I notice that my mascot is still a little bit cut off. So what I can do with that, I can just go back and grab that too and do the same thing that I just did. Go back to my gallery. I really got to organize my files because I don't like having to look so far down for things. Okay, so I'm going to take that mascot again and remove the background on it. Then we're going to change that color again. And like you can't remember where you had it, you know, you could go back and look, because I had it like around 45 or 43 or something like that. So we can put it right there. And then what's going to really make the difference is when we bring that saturation all the way up. So bring that all the way up to 100. And we can leave it right there. That'll be fine for just demonstration purposes. And then we can try to size that up to where the other one is, somewhere around that same size. And just try to line it up. Okay. Okay. And we want to turn down the transparency on it. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller so it can all fit. Because I need to bring everything down a little bit more. Let me go to my layers. I want to bring that one down. I need to unlock it so it won't be so far at the top. Then I'm going to just bring this back up. We want to lock that back because it'll disappear into there if you don't lock it back. So we want to lock it, put her back on top of that other one for the pop out effect. Okay. So got that going. Now we want to just line this back up to where it needed to be. And that looks like it's about good. Yeah, that's going to be good enough for me. We'll see when we turn down the transparency. Yeah, that looks fine. Okay, so there you go. Another quick and easy one that you can do using a grunge frame, so you won't have any more of those squares behind your image. You can go to my Etsy shop and get you one of those frames. And I made like a pack of them where you could get like 5 of them for about $4.99, and it has different shapes in them. And I got another one that has another 5 different type of backgrounds. But this is a really nice way to design, quick and easy. So hope you found it helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.